Look at that, guys. Junkyard today, and I found Eclipse. Look at all this. It is a DSM, and yeah, it's been destroyed by somebody who didn't appreciate these cars, I guess. Ah, does have a Chinese handles. The seal is not bad. I mean, could be better. This one is bad. For a second I thought this was black, but not. It's spray painted bad. Like even this, look at all this, how they painted this part. It's just, oh man, look at all that. Comes with these extras, I guess. Yeah, and there it is. Somebody who was here already. They removed one of these. The other one is broken. They were looking some other stuff, but yeah, sad to see. It's coming with these rims. Somebody could. These are universal. Could use them, I guess. Yeah, seen a better days. Just sad. But yeah, I'm here at the junkyard looking for Eclipses, Talons. There's actually a convertible GST that I might check out. But yeah, engine. Not much riced in there. But yeah. Anyway, catch you on the next one. I found another one. Look at that. This one is 98. And a little bit better condition. Hasn't been molested. Has a manual windows, missing the brackets. Has this thing that I was thinking to take off for the sunroof. You can see the dash. And it's manual, of course. Yeah, it's manual. And 428. Look at all that. Very nice. All right, so I'm gonna grab some stuff off of it and let's get going. All right, so back home, and yeah, those two Eclipses were the only two that I found on the yard, and yeah, I haven't got it, that many parts off of it, the ones that I needed at least. But hey, back home, and thinking to go for a ride. I got a couple of things I have to do to push these out and get done with them. And yeah, I will try to upload more those junkyard videos. I don't go that often because it's about 3 hours away from my home. So yeah, that's quite a bit of ride. But anyway, yeah, since I'm doing this, let me let you guys know what is going on. So this GS manual has been almost stripped entirely. Gotta pull the engine out, gotta cut the rocker panels and the strut towers for the order. And the Eclipse GSX, nothing happened here as well. Just been, postponing. And yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and of course I'll see you guys next time. Later.